Welcome to Collections Intro. Store and manage data efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using arrays for everything is rigid. Adding or removing items is difficult. How do we manage groups of objects? Arrays have fixed size. Adding/removing items is hard. Limited built-in operations. Collections provide flexible, reusable structures to manage object groups. How is Collections Intro used in the real world? Contact lists. Manage phone book entries. Shopping cart. Store multiple product items. Task management. Organize to-do list items. Collections Intro powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without Collections Intro? Managing multiple items with separate variables. Look at how messy the code gets. Cannot add items dynamically. Hard to iterate through items. No built-in operations. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Collections Intro. Look how clean the code is now. Dynamic size. No fixed limit. Built-in methods for operations. Type safety with generics. Compare the difference. And that is why we use Collections Intro. Let's see how to implement Collections Intro in code. Here is the implementation. Import collections. Include Java util package. Create list. Initialize empty array list. Add element. Insert apple into list. Add element. Insert banana into list. Add element. Insert orange into list. Print list. Display all elements. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the main purpose of Java collections? Which one is correct? The correct answer is collections store and manage groups of objects efficiently. Which interface is at the top of collections hierarchy? Which one is correct? The correct answer is collection interface is the root for most collection types. What does this code create? Which one is correct? The correct answer is ArrayList is a resizable list implementation. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is get1, return second element, index 1, which is 10. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.